AI isn't just taking jobs, it's inventing them. In the next 10 years, the best paid roles might not even exist on your school's career page, and yet. If you've heard that AI will replace workers, you've only heard half the story. The other half is way more interesting and profitable. Today we're breaking down 5 brand new careers AI will create over the next decade. You'll get what the job is, who hires, skills to learn, and starter steps you can begin this week. And if you watch to the end, I'll drop a bonus role that quietly ties all of these jobs together. Every tech wave, steam engines, electricity, the internet, eliminated tasks but created professions no one predicted. The same pattern is unfolding with AI agents, robotics, and synthetic media. Those who prepare early get the salary and the leverage. Those who wait get the surprises. Our first role pays you to choreograph AI agents like a film director, without being a hardcore coder. But the second pays you to distrust those same machines. Intrigued? Let's go. 1. AI Workflow Architect, aka Agent Orchestrator. An AI workflow architect designs and governs teams of AI agents, plus the human checkpoints, so companies can automate real work safely. Think of it as a process director who decides which agent does what, when humans step in, and how data flows across tools. Most companies don't fail at AI because the model is bad. They fail because workflow is messy. The architect turns scattered tools into a reliable assembly line. Imagine a mid-size e-commerce brand. One agent drafts replies, another checks policy, a third pulls order data, and a human verifier approves edge cases. That's speed plus control. Day in the life. Map a business process into steps. Assign an agent or API to each step. Define guardrails. When to escalate, what to log, how to measure quality. Run A/B tests on prompts, tools, and handoffs. Report cycle time, error rate, and ROI to leadership. Who hires? Agencies, SaaS companies, operations, heavy brands, banks, healthcare systems, and governments modernizing services. Skills to build. Process mapping, prompt, agent design, data hygiene, QA metrics, light Python, JavaScript, and change management. Starter steps this week. 1. Pick one routine you do. Email triage, lead follow-up, content QA. 2. Break it into 4 to 6 steps. Label which are AI, which are human. 3. Build a tiny agent team using tools you already have, chat models plus APIs. 4th, track time saved and error rate. Make a one-page case study. 5. Publish the case study on LinkedIn/GitHub and repeat with a client or friend's business. If this job is about making AI trustworthy at scale, the next one is about testing whether you can trust it at all. 2. AI Safety and Risk Auditor, Real-Time AI Red Team. This role stress tests AI systems before and after deployment. You probe for bias, prompt injection, data leakage, policy violations, and hallucinations. Then document risks, mitigations, and sign-off conditions. As AI touches money, health, and law, errors get expensive. A simple way to picture it. If a company runs 200 models across products and even 1% produce risky outputs once a week, that's 2 incidents weekly, enough to trigger fines or headlines. Auditors keep that number near 0. Day in the life. Build test suites of adversarial prompts and edge cases. Run evals measuring truthfulness, toxicity, fairness, and drift. Design kill switches and human-in-the-loop thresholds. Review logs for anomalies, escalate incidents. Train teams on secure prompt patterns and safe data use. Who hires? Banks, insurers, health tech, cloud providers, government NGOs, and any brand with legal exposure. Skills to build. Threat modeling, compliance basics, model evals, secure coding, and clear report writing. Starter steps. 1. Create a small risk matrix template. Likelihood times impact. 2. Take an open app or AI demo and run 20 adversarial tests. 3. Log results, propose 3 mitigations, assign owners. 4th, package as a one-pager mini audit. 5. Offer free mini audits to 2 startups. Ask to publish anonymized results. Okay, but even if models behave, how do we know media is real? The next job turns you into the deep fake detective every company will call. 3. Synthetic media forensics and authenticity analyst. Your job is to verify reality. You analyze images, audio, video for manipulation, check provenance trails, think content credentials, and issue authenticity reports for newsrooms, courts, brands, and election teams. As generative tools democratize production, trust becomes the scarcest asset. Companies will need in-house expertise to vet user-generated content, celebrity ads, or high-stakes footage before it goes live. Day in the life. Run forensic checks. Compression artifacts, shadows, eye reflections, acoustic signatures. Verify metadata and signed provenance where available. Corroborate with cross-source data. Satellite, sensor logs, chain of custody. Produce plain English reports management can act on. Who hires? Media companies, ad agencies, social platforms, legal firms, cybersecurity vendors, and public sector election units. Skills to build. Media forensics, basic cryptography and signatures, video-audio pipelines, reporting, and ethics. Starter steps. 1. Build a truth lab portfolio. Take known fake, real clips and document your detection steps. 2. Learn how provenance manifests work. Practice verifying them. 3. Create a report template with risk levels and recommended actions. 5. Offer a brand safety check to a local business running influencer ads. 5. Publish case studies, with permission, demonstrating false positive versus false negative trade-offs. We've covered digital truth, but AI is also moving physical things. What happens when fleets of robots need a human conductor? 4. Robot Fleet Coordinator, Edge AI Operations Manager. As factories, farms, and cities fill with autonomous robots, delivery bots, warehouse AMRs, inspection drones, someone must monitor the fleet, schedule tasks, handle exceptions, and coordinate maintenance. That's the Robot Fleet Coordinator. Small improvements compound at scale. If a facility runs 50 robots and you boost uptime by 2% while reducing collisions by 30%, you unlock days of annual productivity and fewer write-offs. You're the bridge between operations and AI control systems. Day in the life. Watch a live fleet dashboard, battery, location, task queues. Approve reroutes when sensors detect hazards. Trigger remote teleoperation for tricky cases. Sequence charging windows to avoid traffic jams at docks. Log incidents. Sync with engineers for firmware or mapping updates. Who hires? 3PL warehouses, quick commerce delivery, utilities, agritech, construction, and municipal services. Skills to build. Operations, mapping basics, teleops tools, SLA thinking, and clear comms with drivers, technicians, and managers. Starter steps. 1. Learn a simulator or inexpensive robot kit to understand navigation basics. 2. Practice writing incident playbooks. If X, then Y. 3. Shadow a local warehouse or logistics hub. Document a throughput map. Create a demo dashboard in a spreadsheet or BI tool that tracks battery, downtime, alerts. 5. Build a mock shift report summarizing KPIs and escalations. We've automated movement. Now let's personalize learning. The next career transforms every student or employee into a one-person classroom. 5. AI Learning Experience Designer, Personal Micro-Tutor Architect. This role designs adaptive learning journeys for schools, workplaces, and creator academies by combining pedagogy with AI tutors that adjust to each learner. It's part instructional designer, part data whisperer, part coach. Static courses are out. Personalized mastery boosts completion and retention. Instead of one video for everyone, learners get diagnostics, micro-challenges, and feedback tuned to their mistakes and pace. Day in the life. Translate a subject into learning objectives and skill maps. Build adaptive check-ins that route learners to remediation or acceleration. Design voice or chat tutors that nudge, quiz, and explain with examples. Track mastery scores and rewrite content where learners stall. Who hires? EdTech firms, corporate L&D, universities, boot camps, and creator-led academies. Skills to build: instructional design, learning science, assessment, light scripting, prompt agent design, and storytelling. Starter steps. 1. Take a topic you know and map beginner to intermediate to advanced with clear outcomes. 2. Create 10 micro-assessments that unlock the next lesson only on mastery. 3. Add contextual hints. If a learner misses X, show Y example. 4. Run a pilot with 5 to 10 learners. Gather friction points. Iterate. 5. Publish results. Completion, time to mastery, as a case study. We covered 5 careers AI will create in the next decade. 1. AI workflow architect, choreograph agent teams. 2. AI safety and risk auditor. Keep models honest. 3. Synthetic media forensics analyst. Verify reality. 4th. Robot fleet coordinator. Operate physical AI at scale. 5. AI learning experience designer. Build adaptive micro-tutors. Bonus: data dignity broker. Protect and monetize consent. If one of these clicked for you, pick the starter steps and begin this week. In the comments, tell me which role you're aiming for, and I'll reply with a 90-day learning plan. If you want a deeper dive into skills and tools for each role, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm posting career roadmaps next. In our next episode, I'll show you how to prove your value with a one-page AI impact report that any employer understands, even if you've never held one of these titles. Don't miss it.